much more friendly than a lot of the other cities that we were coming through.
Can you explain why you decided to do a bike ride?
Yeah. So the biking is kind of multifaceted, but one is like people experiencing homelessness. That's one of their main forms of transportation. So I wanted to show that it can be really challenging to just logistically, do all the things that maybe people that haven't lived that experience or they don't really understand. They want to be able to see how challenging it is to like just go to the DMV if all you have is a bike, and like go to get documentation. And now these are hurdles that need to be addressed, and you need to understand like maybe why people aren't able to get themselves into a situation where they're empowered and they're elevating their situation.